Hello and welcome back to the channel, guys. In today's video we're going to be fixing the catalytic converter on the CLS, and we're going to be giving it its final part of the facelift. Stay tuned.
Down. The poo-poo.
How do you L that hard, man?
I did sideshows in this car.
For sure. Am I seeing this correctly? It looks like that's not JB Weld, right? Or is that JB Weld?
No.
It looks like they welded it already.
They welded also, and then the rest is JB weld.
Oh, that's interesting. It was a little bit oily on this side of the catalytic converter. So you fix the welds over here, and then you finish the welds on the catalytic converter. Now we are just gonna put it back in to the car.
See that one spot?
Two. You're not plugged in, are you?
Put the chain in.
That one's about to fall. But it's in, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so this is interesting. This just came off of the silver car. These are tabs that you have to push in towards the camera. And this one, you just push this back and then it'll lift up. So, older car, newer car. Newer car, definitely a lot easier. Alright, so now that the car is all jacked up, we're gonna go ahead and start undoing the bolts from the bottom, which should be very, very close. This one and that one. Alright, so now that those pieces are off, we're gonna have to go ahead and get inside this fender, and then in this line there's a clip that's holding these two pieces together. We take those out, and then the bumper will be able to come out. This is crazy. They literally zip tied everything on this side. There we go. And on this side, literally, there's a screw right there. Alright, so we just got the bumper off. Gonna go ahead and put that aside and get the black one out and ready to be installed. All right, so here is the donor front bumper. Perfect condition. It's missing a signal light over there and a fog light over here. I believe the fog light is somewhere up there, but as far as this turn signal light, we'll just take it off this. Plain and simple as that. And then gonna go ahead and just start connecting all the wires and put it in. So it turns out both of the side marker lights that go on the driver's side are broken, but this one is less broken than this one, so we're going to use this one. All right, so the first thing I'm going to be doing is getting off the clips so I can take off that grill. All right, with the clips out, grill comes out nice and easy. I'm going to reshape this and then spray this black. I'm not going to let it go back on the car in this sort of condition. Okay, so I just mocked it up. I'm going to go ahead and connect that fog lights wire. Since that one's not here right now, I'll leave it there, and then I'll try to get the lights over there out and about. Got everything in, all done. So we just put the grill on, very easy. The 3 clips just go in, and then 3 screws. That's about it. Very, very easy to do. That is it for this video. Put the front bumper on. Everything is sitting kind of flush. These little side pieces, those are a little bit challenging to put on, so we're gonna redo it when we go ahead and do the next step for the car. But regardless, this is now done. All that's left is the rear bumper, but in the meantime, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and do the rear bumper, and then after rear bumper, this car is gonna get a full detailed, and then it's on to the wrap. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.